Let's make a little animation like this to celebrate February and romance reading. Let's go. Instagram Reel or TikTok video, both roughly the same sort of size. If you're new here, I'm Jeevani Charika and Rhoda Baxter, and I'm an author, and I had to teach myself how to use Canva to make graphic images, and now I'm sharing the knowledge with you. If you are an author and would like to talk to other authors, come and join the Facebook group, Canva Tips for Authors. The link is in the description, and if you would like to say thank you, you can leave me a little tip. All right. So we've got our video format here. Let's just bring the size of this up a little bit and let's see if we can get this to go down a little bit. Okay. It's February now, and there is currently a social media drive on to encourage people to read more romance. And when better to do it than in February when it's nearly Valentine's Day? So what we are going to do is we are going to write live, laugh, read romance. That is our message. We're going to select it and find a nice chunky font. I'm going to choose Palalavas Wide. I don't know. I hope I pronounced that right. Anyway, that's what we've got. And I think what we could do is actually separate these out. And that way we can take the line spacing down to about 1.1. So we've got live, laugh, read romance, and let's make it bigger. What size do we have here? 223. So let's get this one up to 223 as well. And this one probably will need to be slightly smaller, but we'll see. Yeah, read Roman. No. About 200, I think. Let's see. Can we get it? No. So that's 172. So let's take this down to 172 as well. 172. 172. Okay. Now, once we have lined it up the way we want, we're going to select them all. To select, you hit Shift, and then you can collect them all together. Right click and group. Okay. Now, then we're going to duplicate it. Control D, or just right click and duplicate. And we're going to go to Effects, and we're going to go for Hollow. There we go. So now we have that. Okay. We will be changing the colors of this later. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a background and we're going to have some books fall through here. So let's do the books bit next. Add another page and do it on there just because it's less cluttered that way. So we're going to go to Uploads and we're going to find books that I've already uploaded. If it accidentally snaps to the background, just right click and detach image. Okay, so that's one. I'll be right back once I've got the rest on. Okay, so I've got a bunch of books here, and what we're going to do is we're going to rotate them. If I can find my rotatey thing, where's it gone? There we go. Oh, that's annoying. I hate it that this bar just pops up wherever you want to be working. It's just right in the middle of your workspace. I know many of us have complained to Canva about it. Anyway, we go and we move them about a bit so that they're not just one regimented line. Where's my rotatey thing gone for this now? There. Okay. Right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to select all of these and turn them into a group. Select them all and group. Okay. Now we're going to copy this and take it over here, and we're going to paste it. Go to position, and we're going to look at our layers now. So this is our outline layer, and this is our main layer, and we're going to put the books in between them. Right? So what happens now is, as you can see, the books kind of flow over the text, but under the outline. And then we're going to go to the top, and we're going to select Animate, Animate Group, and we can get them to come up from the baseline or come down. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Create an Animation with the little B. We're going to hold Shift, and we're going to pull it straight down like this. Okay, that is good. Right, let's make it smooth. And let's take the speed down. Okay. And what we're going to also do is we're going to take this group, let's take the group, copy then, and go to here and paste. Then I'm going to straighten them all out, make them smaller. I'll just tidy this up. So to tidy something up, you select all the things that you want. And then you go to Position, Arrange, and Tidy Up. And it tidies it up, and it tells me that this is wonky. There we go. So they should all be sort of evenly spaced now. And we'll copy this text as well. And we'll have this animate to fade out, fade on exit. And then make sure we've selected the right one, ungroup, and get rid of live and laugh. And just stick with read romance. And then we'll add the hashtag that we are using for this, which is romficfeb26. Now I can't add a hashtag because the hashtag button doesn't work on my laptop. So I'm going to go and find a hashtag and copy and paste it in. Okay, well, I found my hashtag. Right, and for this one, I'm going to give it a background, and it's going to be, call it light gray. Could be white. Go with light gray for now. No, let's go with white. And corner roundness up a bit, spread up a bit, transparency about the same. Right, now then, let's find something for the back. Falling hearts. Orientation, vertical. See if we've got something that's free. Animated. See, that's what we want, but with hearts, but I can't see any there. Let's have this. And let's make the background a sort of pinkish color. Maybe a lighter pink than that. See all. That's quite a cute one. Too dark. Okay. Now this needs to go to the back position. Layers, that needs to go behind everything because it's in the background. And let's take the transparency down a bit so that it's less in your face. Right. And let's do the same for this page. That. Control C, Control V. You can manipulate the layers from here as well. So let's move you over here so that it seamlessly has both of them. Okay. Right, let's see if this works now. Okay, and so we go between these two pages and we add transition. And we're going to match and move. Let's see what that looks like now. All right, something is lasting too long. Why is it lasting too long? This thing here needs to come down to here. Get this thing, effects. Not effects, animate. Fade. Both on enter and on exit. Okay, cool. Right, let's try without that little intermediate bit. Okay, and then all you have to do is download it. So share, download, MP4 video is what's suggested. So let's do that. And download it, save it, and then you can upload it and share to all your social media. Now, if you have Canva Pro and you have connected all of your social media, you can just upload it directly to Instagram or YouTube or TikTok from your phone. For TikTok, you have to do it from your phone. I hope you found that useful. If you did, tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.